Would you like to learn how to steal your competitor's Facebook ad strategy? Literally from the creative to the copy to the landing page to the entire sales process. What's going on, guys? Welcome to my channel. This is Raphael, and on this channel I talk about online marketing and I teach you the latest strategies you need to know in order for you to grow your business online. Alright, so let's just jump right into this video, and I'm going to share with you exactly how you can view any advertiser's Facebook ads. Okay, now this is a free tool from Facebook. Okay, and all you have to do is just simply have a Facebook account, and you can get all this information. Okay, this is crucial if you are a affiliate marketer and you're trying to get ideas on ways to promote your an affiliate product, a software, a course. Okay, I wouldn't say that you should replicate these results, okay, that other people are doing. That's actually plagiarism and it's not good. But you can use this tool to just get ideas, okay, for your own overall strategy. Okay, so here is an example of Pat Flynn. He is a very well-known affiliate marketer. Okay, he's been doing this for years and he teaches people how to create passive income online. Okay, so I typed in his name here and his ads are coming up here, and so we can actually come in here and see all the ad details. Okay, so this is the copy that he used, and as you can see, it's actually very good copy, as he's giving away what he will be teaching and showing you how to have a successful affiliate marketing campaign. And we can actually click to see where he's taking this traffic to. Now let's just look at the targeting first. So he's targeting mostly people between the ages of 18 to maybe 45, mostly men. Okay, that's going to give you a good idea to use for your own targeting. And this is where the ad is shown. Okay, these are the impressions per the state. Okay, so maybe you might want to only select a few certain states for your campaign. Okay, you might not want to target the entire United States. Okay, yeah, so down here it tells me the ad spend, but I don't think that's accurate, so I wouldn't really look at this and confirm that it's 100% accurate. But we can actually see where he's taking all this traffic to, and this is going to give me it's going to show me exactly what he's doing, his entire sales process right here in his landing page. So he's definitely trying to get you to watch his free webinar. He's going to show you exactly how to monetize your brand. All right, monetize it with affiliate marketing. So this is exactly what he's going to share with you. And yeah, this is pretty much his entire process. You can click on this to see a past recording, and that's going to take you deeper down the funnel and show you what he's doing. Okay, he's using the Facebook Pixel, of course, to track all the website visitors so he can later retarget you, and maybe get you to see another training or another one of his content. But yeah, this is going to show you exactly what Pat Flynn is doing. This is a great tool, guys. Let me show you another example. This will not only work if you have an affiliate marketing business. Okay, this is also going to work if you are a local business. Okay, if you run local services like HVAC, roofing. Okay, you just simply come here, and I'll have a link to this down in the description. It's a free tool. So let's just look at roofing, for example. Maybe you're a roofing company, you just want to have an online strategy, and you want to get started, right? So let's see this company. This is All American Roof Company, and they're currently running several different ads, different copies, I'm sure, and different graphics. And you can see that this ad is running on Facebook, Instagram, so different placements as well, as you can see. So yeah, let's just look at this ad. Click on ad details. So this ad is probably targeting senior citizens to save on their roofing, okay? And as you can see here, with their call to action, they're gonna offer you $100 by getting your free by saving you $100 to get your free quote. Okay, so this is the landing page. Okay, I wouldn't say this is a landing page, but you can see where they're driving the traffic to, and maybe you want to use this strategy for your own roofing company. Okay, what are you going to offer your audience? Are you going to offer a free estimate, a free quote, right? Okay, so let's just show you another example. Maybe you are an HVAC company. You run local HVAC services, air conditioning, heating. Okay, this is another advertiser here, Southern Coast HVAC, and they are running several ads here for installation. Let's look at this ad here. So here is the area that they're targeting, Sarasota, and they're offering a free quote, and they're giving a sale for their new air system. It's for 0% APR, okay? And what's great about this tool is you can also see all the different creatives that they're using for this ad. So this has multiple variations, and yeah, that's gonna share. This tool is literally a gold mine, guys. This is gonna give you access to an entire sales process that other advertisers are using. Okay. Now I wouldn't want to use exactly what they're doing. You kind of just want to come to this tool and use it as a reference. Okay. Maybe you like a certain creative that they're using. Okay, like this creative here, right here, pops out of you with the color scheme here, or maybe you just want to get ideas to see what other advertisers are giving away for free in order to acquire new customers. Okay, but yeah, guys, I'll have a link to this down in the description. Hopefully you enjoyed this short little video here. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and give me a like if you enjoy content like this, and subscribe my channel for future online marketing tactics. My name is Raphael, and I'll see you guys in the next video.